We just woke up. Welcome to another video.
Call this bomb weather. Bomb.
It's really good weather outside today. It's around 11 o'clock now in the morning, and it will be 25 degrees today. Now we are heading out to eat something. So let's go. We are back here at the Riverside. So yeah, it looks nice. It looks nice. Where are we? We are at Pomelo, breakfast brunch place. Just ordered a lot of food. We will see how it looks and how it tastes. But it's a lot of people here, so it's probably good. So, and then after this, we are going to the shooting range. Yeah, we got some juice here. Oh, big cappuccino, water, juice.
Get the kamikaze. Yes, from the
Yes.
Yeah, that's mine. Thank you.
Here we have scrambled egg, nice scrambled egg, and Benedict. Nah. I took this the best, and look at this waffle. Oh, very good.
Oh, let's go.
Very good. We just ate. Now we are going to take a Bolt and go to the apartment. I need to go on a mission. We need to go home because I need to do a mission. So we are going here to take a Bolt. Let's go. Oh, akta. Vi ska hit. Oh, it's closed here. So just finished the Bolt ride. It wasn't so good because the streets here are shit, so you couldn't drive fast and stuff like that. Now we are going to the shooting range. I just booked a taxi. He's here in 5 minutes. We are going to the shooting range now. So this will be very interesting. So let's go.
Can you go Q1?
Yes, we are going to shooting guns. It's there. Yeah, it's the others, I believe. Okay, now guys, we just arrived at Strelnica. You can see here up here. It's the shooting range.
Hello.
Hello. I booked 2 o'clock steep package for 3 people. Air protector. Yes, you have protection here. Wow, så fett.
Co to kurwa się włączyło?
Treat everyone as loaded. Don't punch your barrel towards anything you don't want to kill or destroy. Keep your index finger off the trigger, so here. Yeah?
Yeah.
And the barrel pointed
Always, yeah.
there. Okay?
Yes.
Because this is only safe direction on this range. As you can see, we've gathered here concrete. everywhere.
Yeah.
Don't point this
Yeah,
barrel
it will
up or
bounce.
down. Because ricochet may kill you or hurt you.
Yeah.
Okay? Every manipulation with the gun, you got to do it this way. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hold it. For example, don't grab the magazine,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
throw somebody
Yeah.
here and get hurt, okay?
Yeah.
So, front sides and the rear sides, yeah? This you've got to see in one line. Like on this picture. Here we got the front side and the rear side.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sides on the same level, spaces between them must be the same, okay?
Yes.
We are looking from here. And point it on the red point of the target, okay? How to shoot with a pistol, because we've got 3 pistols. Grab it as high as possible, index finger here, another hand goes like this, okay? You got to see 2 thumbs on the one side. In other
Okay.
case, if you're gonna cross these thumbs, this part is working every time you pull the trigger,
Yeah.
so it's gonna hurt you.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay in front of your target. If you're gonna shoot with your right hand, take your left foot a little bit forward, grab the gun, raise it to the side level, look at the sides, put your finger on the trigger, and shoot. Yeah?
Yeah.
So wait, if I shoot with the left, I'm left-handed.
Okay, so
Then
we
I
got to
put,
we got to switch, yeah?
Right in front.
Like this.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
And every gun on this table is semi-automatic, which means if you're gonna load the magazine here, reload the gun, and pull the trigger, the gun fires, reloads, takes a new round, yeah? So you're gonna reload this gun only once,
Okay.
yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're gonna attach the magazine, pull the slide back, release it, and
Okay.
then you're gonna shoot until the slide
Yes.
is in this position.
Yeah.
Next, you've got to press this little button here, here, and here to release magazine. Check the gun chamber, which is here. If it's empty, you can put the gun down, okay?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Then we're gonna shoot with revolver. Sides are the same. The top of the front side must be in line with the top of the rear side, okay? Here you are allowed to cross your thumbs.
Yeah.
But first, aim,
Yeah.
then with your left thumb or your right thumb, pull hammer back and the trigger goes back, okay? So don't look for it like this, okay?
Yeah.
Keep your sights on the target, put your finger on the trigger, and there is only 1 millimeter of trigger pull to give a shot.
Okay.
Okay? And each time, pull hammer back and fire. After the last round, press this manipulator forward and then down to the left. Check if every round is fired and extract everything on the ground
Okay.
with this rod. Okay? Extractor. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
Guys, whatever happens, yeah? If you got malfunction, keep your barrel straight,
Yeah.
finger off the trigger, raise your hand. We are here to manage the situation,
Yeah.
okay?
Cover back, cover back. Every time you shoot, you must go back to cover.
More power. Yep.
Wait.
Squeeze it. Manipulator here.
Okay, yeah.
Forward. Pull it back. Check. Pull it back. Okay, hello. Press forward. Right hand finger. Pull it back. Yeah? Okay. Check the target. Change the target. Fine. Full contact.
Okay. First time, no?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Your target distance 5 meters. Yeah.
armen. Nej, fan. Vilket tog den hit, sa du det? Ja. Jag fick 18 år utanför armen.
So, right now we're gonna shoot the shotgun. So you can see that on the rear side. So you have to keep your head low to see the front receiver. On the front side, on the edge here. If you're gonna have this cash being high, you will see the model.
Yeah.
This is very bad. Okay, keep your head low. With your right hand, pull the showing up to the chest. With your left hand, pull the slider towards the target. Okay? And before every shot, you have to reload. All the way back, all the way forward, fire. Yeah?
Yeah.
And please aim on the red point on the target. Okay? In other case, you're gonna destroy the infrastructure of the shooting range. Okay? Because we are shooting for the move. Yeah? So, grab the guns and reload.
Where's the...
Lean forward, guys. Reload. And push it forward with your left hand, yeah? Push the slider towards the target. Fire. Reload. Fire. Reload.
Var det kul? Det var det kul. Okej. How many rounds do you load?
Four.
Back there. Should I reload?
Load it once more.
You reload every time, yeah?
Yeah.
It's up. Do you check if it's empty? First back.
Okay. Put your left hand towards the target. Okay? In other case, you load the ball to the position. Yeah, you can see right now recording. Yeah? Movement. Check. Empty.
Yeah.
There you go.
Min gubbe dog ju. Jävlar! Han med min med. Jag vill kolla. Den filmar hela tiden. Ja, det gjorde det? Ja, men fett ut. På alla också? Jag vet inte om den filmade på hon också där.
So, that is all in our package.
Yeah.
Would you like to try something more?
Yes. I think so, yeah.
Not this shit, please.
Not? We've seen too many movies, you know, that's why.
This is for sporting ammunition.
Okay.
Real guns are on that wall.
M4, yeah. I would try
M4, M16, like in the Vietnam War.
Yeah.
How many rounds?
I don't know.
Hur många ska vi köra? Fem rundor, det räcker.
5 skott.
Yeah, 5 bullets.
Is it
5 bullets.
Is that the middle? I don't know.
My God, you've been shooting 15 rounds from
Yeah.
AK-47.
Yeah, give me 15 for
How
the...
do you wish to
15.
feel the difference?
Okay, well then we do 15 again.
15,
Yeah,
yeah.
15 again. 15 then.
15 är fan.
Thank you. That's the
Jag
job.
nästan inte 15 år tycker jag.
Jo, det är, man tänker inte på det.
What is the green gun on the wall?
What's the name of it?
Caltech. American shit.
Wszyscy po 15?
To jest.
De måste ju
Majster.
köra för fan.
To weź się tak strzelać i załaduję to.
He's from Croatia, they know Thompson, you know.
Thompson.
No, they don't. Is it also no?
I'm gonna shoot them. So, how to use M16 AR-15 platform. magazine like in the pistol. Yeah. To release it, there we go, a little button.
Yeah.
Load your first round. Pull it back and release it. This time is gonna be the same like in the AK-47. And the sides. They are a little different. You got a little hole here on the front side in the middle. So you got to see this picture on the target. Okay? The front side in the middle of the screen. On the left side. Okay? After all, the ball is gonna stay in back position. The trigger will be up. Yeah? So you got the pressure, load the magazine to your chamber, and here is bolt release. Close it and pull it down.
With it jamming a lot? M16? No? That's fun, man.
When it's clean, yeah, and you've got good ammunition
Yeah.
and good weather condition, there's no problem.
I just know the Americans in Vietnam is always jamming, you know?
Yeah, because there was a lot of dirt, yeah. AR-15, who's shooting AR-15?
Yeah, I will use AR-15.
Yeah. So in the middle we've got here red belt side.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna see the red belt, put it on the target. The same story, the same manipulation. Magazine here, reload it once, aim, and fire. Okay?
And the release on the
Yeah. The same story. Ja.
Fan, vi har skjutit så mycket.
Besides, Maciej.
Tack.
So guys, send your target. Leave it.
On też się 16 strzela ten?
Dawaj wszyscy trzej. Oni sobie tutaj ustawili nie strzelają.
All the way or 15?
All the way. All the way. Wait a second. Wait a second. Is that for protection right now?
Okay.
Forward. All the way. Okay. Start. Load the magazine.
Yeah. I should.
Okay. Reload. All the way. And release. Okay.
Another
Okay, it's ready. Fire. Okay, unload. Just put it down. Check your target.
All the way, jag har filmat. All the way. This is adrenaline.
Jag står... Vänta, det är bättre om jag står på den andra sidan. Här. Jag ska bara ta den. I'm gonna take a photo, my friend. I'm gonna take a photo, yeah. It's ready. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Samma på den. Okej. Ska vi ta en bild på dig också då?
Jag filmar nu, Jakob.
Det brukar bra då.
Hej.
Ja, det var inte bra till sjöss för jag hade inte hörlurarna på mig. Alltså hur mycket
Ja,
tjuft
jag
det var
vet.
fortfarande.
Galil var fet faktiskt.
And this one back.
To jest nie zupełnie, ale to też się zawsze zdarza.
Lite högt ja.
Na zawody wszystkim jechać, wiadomo. Zrobić to sprawdzę na zawodach.
You have good jobs, yeah? It's fun. No? I think there's
I'm
worse
so
jobs.
fucking excited, yeah?
You love that job.
Yeah, of course.
You see this,
Of
yeah?
course I
You
do.
love it.
Actually, our friends was here, I think, 6 months ago or something. They said, you must come here. That's why we also came here.
But he's been in the army, not like us.
Huh?
He's been in the army,
Yeah,
not
he was
like
in...
Jo, sorry.
I can't see anything from my protection glasses.
This here, yeah?
Ale na pewno będzie to lepsze niż to, co masz teraz.
Wait a second.
Ale obawiam się, że tam po prostu jest to wyklastane.
Serio.
A, bo nie trzyma mocno. Czy może nie zahaczy.
Vänta då Steve, jag ska bara ta en fet bild också.
Come here.
Ah.
Come here closer. Here.
Ah. Ja, ja, ja. Vi stoppar jag filmen. Bara...
Låt jag filma.
All right. Fan vad lite kul.
We just finished the shooting range. It was fun, but in the beginning it was not. How was it in the beginning?
I was shaking, I was sweaty, I was like, I don't want to do this. After I shot like 2 guns,
Yeah.
and I just want to go back home because it's not for me.
Palla. He's afraid.
No, I was not afraid. Everyone was like that though. But then
Yeah,
once
but
we started
then,
shooting the big guns,
Yeah, it was fun.
the AK and stuff, yeah, it was,
Yeah, so the beginning I didn't film because it was like
they said we couldn't film also. Like
yeah,
the face.
their faces and stuff like that. But then I put up the cam you saw, and I filmed like half of the experience. But it was good. It cost around, I don't know, like 100, 150, 100 euro or something like that.
You shot a lot.
And I shot pretty much. You only saw half what I shot. So now we're going back to the town and eat something.